español, Nutricion Verdadera, asignatura inglés básico y nutrición. Actividad Evidence of Learning Grammatical Construction 1. What are the 9 most popular diets present with the article? 1. A things the woman look at vegetables. 2. The sun diets. 3. Ketogenic diets. 4. Vegetarian diets. 5. Vegan diets. 6. Winch water diets. 7. Salvage diets. 8. Raw food diets. 9. Mediterranean diets. What is a diet according to the articles? A diet is described as an fixed plan of eating and drinking where the size and amount of food are planned out in order to achieve weight loss or follow a particular lifestyle. Mention 2 principal characters of each of the 9 diets. Diet 1. A things diet. A things diet woman look at vegetables. The a things diet or a things nutritional approach focus on control cell levels on insulin in the body through a low carbohydrate diet. If people consume large amounts of refined carbohydrates, their insulin levels rise and fall rapidly. Rising insulin leaving triggers the body to store energy from the food that is consumed, making it less likely that the body will use stored fat as a source of energy. Diet 2. The sun diet. The sun diet aims for a nutritional balance of 40% carbohydrates, 30% fats, and 30% protein in each meal. The sun diet encourages the consumption of high-quality carbohydrates, unrefined carbohydrates, and fats such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts. Diet 3. Ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet has been used for decades as a treatment for epilepsy and is also being explored for home users. It involves reducing carbohydrate intake and upping fat intake. It's so contrary to common sense, but it allows the body to burn fat at a full rate than carbohydrates. Healthy fats such as those in avocados, coconuts, Brazil nuts, seed oily fish, and olive oil are liberty and to the diet to maintain an overall emphasis on fat. Diet 4. Vegetarian diet. There are various types of vegetarian lactose, vegetarian fruitarian, vegetarian, lacto-vegetarian, living for diet, vegetarian, ovo-vegetarian, pesco-vegetarian, and semi-vegetarian. Stood over the last few years have shown that vegetarians have a low body weight, sugar less expectation than people who have nuts. Diet 5. Vegan diet. Veganism is more of a way of life and philosophy than a diet. A vegan does not have hunting that is animal-based, including egg, dairy, and honey. Vegans do not usually adopt veganism just for health reasons, but also for environmental, ethical, and compassionate reasons. Vegans believe that modern intensive farm methods are bad for our environment and unsustainable in the long term. If everybody ate plant-based food, the environment would benefit. Animals would thrive less, more food would be produced, and people would generally enjoy better physical and mental health. Veganism says. Diet 6. Water diet. Water focus on looks. Trunks diet exist and a supplement. Water is what started in the 1960s and homemade who had lost some weight and was concentrated meat put it back on sources creative and new of brains. Greenways is a home company with branches all over the world. Dieters can join in psychology and attend regular meetings offline. In both cases, there is lots of support and education available for the diet. Diet 7. Soviet diet. The Soviet diet was trained by a cardiologist, Dr. Gaston, and a nutrician, Marie Amelie. It focused on the control of insulin levels and the benefits of unrefined slow carbohydrates versus fat carbohydrates. Diet 8. Rainfall diet. The rainfall diet of rainfallings involves consuming food and drinks that are not processed, are complete, plant-based, and ideally organic. Bradford believes that until 3% of the person's food intake should consist of whole food. A significant number of grain foods are also vegan and do not have origin that is animal-based. Diet 9. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is Southern Europe and more specifically focused on the nutritional habits of the people of Greece and Southern Italy, nowadays Spain, Southern France and Portugal are also included, even though Portugal does not touch the Mediterranean Sea. The emphasis is on many plants for fresh fruit, for dessert, beans, nuts, wood, grain seed, olive oils are the main sources of fat. Ingredients: cheese and yogurt are the main dairy products. The diet also includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry, up to about 4 per way, small amounts of red meat and slow to moderate of wine of the country of the Mediterranean diet consists of fat with saturated fat that do not exceed 8% of the calories intake. What is a Weinstein diet? Dr. Stein abroad from Monter, France and the Caribbean Institute found the Weinstein diet, which is heat, is sweat, and friends food rise and person risk of drink hardly. They publish their things in the American Journals of Medicine. In your opinion, which or which one are the best option to treat a patient? Explain your answer. The best option for a patient is the one that can be given in a consultation, since the 9 diets mentioned above might present dangers to personal health, so it is vital to assist with health professionals.